what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can find this stay home filter on Instagram and how to use this filter. So this is the filter. To get this filter, visit the creator profile. Giannis is the creator of this filter. You can follow him to unlock this filter to your camera tray. So check in his filter tray. This is the filter stay home. Tap on it. You will see this preview. From here you can save it to your camera and you can try it. So let's try it. So to use this filter you have to press and hold the camera button. So that's it guys, like, and use this filter on Instagram. So thanks for watching the video guys, see you in the next video.